Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do a quick, simple, beautiful cover for a wedding. My sister actually just got married, so I'm going to make one for her. So I'm going to create my cookbook. I'm going to title it Recipes for Happy Marriage. Type book, cookbook. It's going to be personal. I'm going to choose this country theme. Her wedding had a nice country feel, so that'll work perfect. Alright, and start the cookbook. Okay. Alright, so we already have a cover. We could use that, but I want to make it really custom and special. So I'm going to hit edit. I've already uploaded the picture. I'm going to use one of her engagement photo pictures right here. I'm going to go over to the design as well. I don't want it to say by me. I want it to have the date of her wedding. It's May 4th. There we go. And I'm going to move this down here. And actually, there's some space up here, so it's great for the title. I'm going to move the picture down just a smidge and pull this up, and I'm going to change the color to black. Boom. All right. And see, we have this here. It says it may have a white strip. What we're going to do is just say fill image, and then we'll pull it down and see. Now that's gone. All right. Wow, perfect. Done. Now you know how to make a beautiful custom cover for all the brides in your life. You can get started by clicking the link below.